What is Tirtha? Holy place. How the place becomes holy? Yes, tell me. Yes. All sinful persons, they go to holy places to wash off their sins there, isn't it? To take bath in the holy river, water there, Tirtha Jala. Then they'll wash off their sins there. Then if it is so, their sinful reactions will be accumulated there like Himalayan mountains. How that place will become Tirtha?
Because the Vaishnavas, when they go to that place, they purify the sin.
Yes. Tirthi Kurvanti Tirthani. The Vaishnava sadhus, they go to such tirthas to purify that place. So going to a tirtha, if you can't go and associate, meet a sadhu there who is engaged in bhajan, by whose presence, by whose bhajan, the place has become tirtha, then no value of visiting such place. Jasatmurti kuno peti dhatu sodhi kunotradi bhumi jyoti dattitaptina sarire karichechi janesu abhigesu saiva ukara. It says, Jatitaptina sarire karichechi. One who develops the tirthaputi only, salira only, water. They go to visit tirtha, this place of pilgrimage, holy place, and have a dip there in the holy water, wash off the sinful, and never goes and meets a sadhu and associates the sadhu who is there, living there and engaged in bhajan, then his tirtha yatra nisphala is useless. Sava gokhara. You may be a very elevated person in material sphere, but he is no better than an ass and cow. Tirtha pholo sadhu sango, sadhu sangi antarango.
Tirtha pholo sadhu sanga, sadhu sange antaranga.
Sri Krishna bhav jana manohara.
Sri Krishna bhajana manahara.
Jatha sadhu tatha tirtho, sthiro kori nijo chito.
Jatha sadhu tatha tirtha, sthira kari nija chita.
Sadhu sango koro nirantoro.
Sadhu sanga kara nirantara.
Je tirthete Vaishnava nahi, se tirthete nahi jahi.
Je tirthete Vaishnava nahi, se tirthete nahi jai.
Ki labho ha tiya duro deso.
Ki labho ha tiya dura desa.
Jatha e Vaishnava gana, se sthana vrindavano.
Jatha e Vaishnava gana, se sthana vrindavana.
Se sthane ananda seso.
Se sthane ananda sesa.
Tirthapada sadhu sangha, sadhu sangya antaranga, Sri Krishna bhajane manahara. You'll get the real joy of visiting a tirtha if you meet sadhu there. Because the place has become tirtha. for the presence of that sadhu, for his bhajan. Sri Krishna bhajan manohar is always engaged in Sri Krishna bhajan. Jatha sadhu tatha tirtha. Thirapariya chitta sadhu sangha. Where there is a sadhu, there is tirtha. That is tirtha. Therefore always do sadhu sangha. Then you are always in tirtha. Je tirthe Vaishnava nahi, je tirthe nahi jai. Ki labh hantiya guru desha. If there are no Vaishnavas in some tirthasthan, holy place, don't go to that tirtha. There is no Vaishnavas. What benefit is there in go thousands of miles, spending thousands of pounds? Hatiya guru desha. Jodhaya Vaishnava gana totha Vrindavana. Saithanya Amna. Where there are Vaishnavas or pure devotees of the Lord are there, that is Vrindavan. That is Vrindavan. And all blissfulness is there.